So I'll be talking trends today, and you'll ask me, Samita, if you're talking trends, why on earth are you wearing a fascinator? Well, I am wearing a fascinator because we are filming on No Prizes for Guessing Melbourne Cup Day. And when I talk trends, I will not say spring, summer, autumn, winter because I have followers in the northern and the southern hemisphere. So I'll be addressing all four seasons. But first things first, who am I? I am Samita. I live in and work out of Melbourne, Australia. I have my own label called deidaaecogiftsonline. I am also an acknowledged sustainability champion. I promote the cause of sustainability on several platforms. Join me for a trends audit. Color. We've had enough of gloom and doom. So off with the blacks, whites, greys and neutrals. We need color in our lives. So the color palette for 21-22 is full of saturated colors. It's about vibrance, it's about connecting with nature, it's about freshness, the freshness of corals, pinks and lilacs, the cool freshness of aquas and teals, and the playful positivity and visual expression of colors like bubblegum pink and electric blue. So this dress actually combines three trends. First, the color. Secondly, the cutouts. And third, the cowl feature. And from the sustainability point of view, this dress can be repurposed very easily. So when the color or the cutouts are not in fashion, you can very easily turn this dress into a top or a scarf, or maybe use it for furoshiki, wrapping your gifts and prezzies with fabric instead of paper. Now that we know the color palette for 21-22, I'd give you a pro tip. Age has nothing to do with not wearing color. In fact, as you grow older, you should embrace color. The trick is to hold that piece of clothing, a colored piece of clothing, close to your face and see, is it adding glow to your face and a sparkle to your eyes? If it is, then that's the right color for you. If it's draining color from your face, for instance the greys and the yellows, then abandon that piece of clothing. However, if full-blown color is not your cup of tea, not your comfort zone, so be it. Comfort comes first. If you are a life member of the Black and White Club, try color in small doses, maybe in accents, in the camisole, on a sling bag, statement earrings. Don't do all of these all at once. When we are talking saturated colors, can sequins and shine be far away? Wear your sequins on boleros, dresses, jackets. Don't want to shine all over? Confine your metallics to accents like the clutch bag or long chains that's trending right now. The next trend I talk about is craft work, and that's music to my ears. Why? What's craft work about? It's about having an element of craft on your outfit. It could be crochet, macrame, applique, hand beading, embroidery. For instance, this applique white shirt, completely hand appliqued. Wear it with a pair of printed trousers? Yes, printed trousers are back, as are relaxed jeans. Skinny jeans or fitted jeans are history. They are a thing of past. How good is that? Talking prints, invest in some 60s classic black and white stripes. Sheer goes well with your bathers, and top it up with a few checkerboard prints. Animal prints, strong as ever, not going anywhere. Wear your animal prints on blazers, tops, dresses, camis, accessories, stockings, you name it, and we can have animal prints on anything and everything for you. Are you intimidated or overpowered by head to toe animal prints? Not to worry. Combine a neutral outfit with an animal print scarf that has on-trend details like the coral fringes. Very trendy, very handy to have, especially when you're traveling. I'll give you one last bonus trend, platform shoes. Now someday you'll thank me for that. I for one have stopped wearing skyscraper stilettos. I do not want to end up with a broken leg or walk bare feet from an event. There are plenty of smart options available in ballet flats, platform heels, kitten heels. So, not wearing skyscraper stilettos is not an excuse to look frumpy. So moving on from apparel and accessories to interiors and home furnishings. So what's trending? What else but Japandi? And what's Japandi? Japandi is a portmanteau of Japan and Scandinavia. So the clean, minimalistic Japanese aesthetic combined with Scandinavian rustic decor. The Scandinavian feeling of hygge, which is about contentment, comfort and wellness, combined with the Japanese concept of wabi-sabi, beauty in imperfection, beauty in unexpected places. Your home should be a sanctuary that offers you all the comfort as you walk in. Natural materials like linen, stone, wood, wool, hessian, cotton, greenery and pops of color. Think natural, think timeless, think quality, think handcrafting. A perfect antidote to the use and throw culture. Sustainable pieces that last you a lifetime. So it's been about a year since we started Learn with Samita, DIDA's YouTube channel. And in this 1 year, we have grown exponentially. And who do we have to thank for that? You, DIDA's likers, followers, subscribers. So if you are liking our videos, do not forget to give us a thumbs up, share, comment, like and subscribe, because your likes, your comments, your subscriptions motivate us to do better. And if you would like us to cover a particular topic, mention in comments below and we would do our best to comply with your request. Till then, this is Samita signing off. Bye for now.